Everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. In this video, you'll be able to change the colour of your iPhone, iPad and iPod screen to help with reading. First, go into Settings, then down to Accessibility, and then Display and Text Size. Then go down to Colour Filters and tap Colour Filters. And by swiping on here, you can have different colours. Then tap Turn on Colour Filters. Then go down to the bottom and make sure Colour Tint is on. And then you got Intensity, so how intense you want that colour to be. Then you got Hue, where you can decide what colour you want by just going along like this. And if you want to turn it off, all you need to do is go up to the top again and tap Turn Off Colour Filters. And that is it. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.